In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Clawdbot workspace to Binance and activate automated trading. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can get everything connected correctly and make sure your bot is ready to trade based on your strategy. The goal here is not just to turn the bot on, but to set it up carefully so it behaves the way you want. First, access your Clawdbot workspace and locate the section where you can connect your exchange account. From there, link your Binance API keys. As you do this, make sure the permissions are set correctly. You should enable read and trading permissions only. This is important because it gives the bot the access it needs to monitor the market, read your account data, and place trades on your behalf while avoiding unnecessary permissions. Before saving anything, take a moment to double check that the connection details are correct, since even a small mistake can prevent the integration from working properly. Once your Binance account is linked, move on to setting up your trading strategy triggers and risk management parameters inside Clawdbot. This is where you define how the bot should behave in live market conditions. Your strategy triggers tell the bot when to enter or exit trades, while the risk settings help control exposure and protect your capital. Be thoughtful here. Clear strategy rules and sensible risk controls are essential for consistency, especially in a fast-moving market. If you already have a tested approach, apply those values carefully. If not, make sure the settings you choose are realistic and aligned with your overall trading goals. After that, select the target crypto pair on Binance that you want the bot to trade. For example, you might choose BTC paired with USDT, but the exact pair should match the market you intend to focus on. This step matters because your strategy and the asset pair should work well together. Always confirm that you've selected the correct trading pair before moving forward, since activating the bot on the wrong market can lead to unwanted trades. Finally, when everything is configured and reviewed, toggle the bot status to active. This allows Clawdbot to begin automatically executing trades based on the strategy and risk settings you've already put in place. Before you walk away, it's a good idea to do one last review of your connection, pair selection, and strategy settings so you can activate the bot with confidence. That's it. Once the bot is active, it will operate according to the rules you've set, helping automate your trading process in a more efficient and disciplined way.